start now question number 2.
Solution number 2. So listen the question first. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages given in rupees. This is given in rupees. In rupees. Number of workers given. So daily wages given 500 to 520. 520 to 540. So this is class interval. Class interval. Number of workers given. This is called frequency. Now we shall find now mid value, and this question I am going to solve by the method of shortcut method. So we shall study only two methods, direct and shortcut method. So MV, that is mid value, xi, symbol is xi. Same formula, L1 plus L2 by 2. Class interval is here, L2 minus L1, that is 20. 520 minus 500, that is 20. So class interval is coming at 20. So first we shall find mid value L1 plus L2, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So now 500 plus 520, 1020 divided by 2, that is 510. So it is coming here 510. Now no need to edit lower term and upper term, and no need to divide by 2. Directly we shall edit the class interval gradually 1 by 1. So our class interval has come 20. So 510 plus 20 is coming 530. 530. Again plus 20, 550. Now 570. Now 590. Mid value has come. Now student, we shall take now assume mean. A stands for assume mean. Assume. We shall take now any numbers from here, or we can take outside of from here. If we shall take from this one mid value, then one value will come 0, and multiply also be 1 0. In addition, one also be less. But we can take any value either from this side or outside. We can take any measurement because it is assume mean. We can assume this one. If anybody want to take any variable, this is also correct. But it's so difficult to solve it. Now we shall take from here. Suppose 550 from middle part I am taking now. It will be easy. Upper side will be minus, lower side will be plus. So assume mean is 550. Got it? Student, formula is what? dxi. We shall find only d, but now find dxi, that is xi minus a, that is xi means middle value, mv. So 550, 510 minus 550, it is coming 40. Now it is coming minus 20. Now it is 0. This one is plus 20, this one is plus 40. Got it? 510 minus 550. X, y minus a. 510 minus 550. Difference is coming minus 40. So minus 40 is here. Next is minus 20. Next is 550 minus 550. That is 0. Now 550, 570 minus 550. Now plus 20 is coming. Again 590 minus 550 plus 40 is coming. Now we shall multiply frequency into dxi, that is fdxi. fdxi. During the exam, be careful. You will keep one finger in place of frequency and direct multiply from here. So student, minus 480 is coming here. Now minus 28, 280 is coming. Now it is coming 0. It is our extra benefit when we should take any measurement inside this mid value. If we shall take one measurement in case of assume under this MV, then one value will come 0. Now 6 into 20, 120, and here 10 into 40 is equal to 400. Now student, you are seeing two values are negative, two are positive. So if we added both the negative values, so we are getting now 760 in negative, and positive what is coming? 520. So one value is negative, one is positive. We are seeing here negative value is greater than positive value. So our difference coming in negative, because negative value is greater than positive. That's why our difference is coming here negative. So we shall edit now this one. It is coming summation of fi dxi. This is coming 0, 246, 527 minus 240. Anybody in doubt? Two measurements values are coming as negative and two are positive. Negative summation is coming minus 760 and positive 520. Negative is greater than positive, so our difference is coming here minus 240. Now frequency, we say get it now frequency. It is coming summation of fi is coming here 50. Now we shall use the formula of shortcut method. Now student, mean is equal to, that is x bar is equal to a plus, assume plus summation of, draw a line first, summation of f in fi into dxi by summation of fi. So right now first a, assume is 550. So now we say right now 550 plus this measurement is coming minus 240. Draw a line first, minus 240 by 50. Student, one thing you listen very carefully. During exam time, we are adding here fractional adding, and since our childhood we should take always LCM to solve these questions, these types of questions. But now this times no need to take LCM. Directly we should divide this and this, and whatever number will come in, we shall add or subtract from this. Direct answer will come. We can save minimum 1 or 30 minutes, 30 second time in during the exam. So only for to save the time, we say right now x bar is equal to 550 plus minus minus 4.8. So minus 4.8 is coming. Now we shall subtract x bar is equal to, mean is equal to 8 to 10 carry 1, 5 5 10 carry 1, 4, 545.2. This is our full and final answer. This is your good news. Any question? Anybody? Yes.